Don't stop now. Oh, come on.
Did you?
I'm not telling. I'm not telling.
Colorado.
Nobody sees, nobody knows.
Uphill. Both ways.
Yep, Silverton, Colorado, 9,318 feet. Then you go mountain biking, but it's more.
Ain't gonna happen. I have all the confidence in the world.
Those bridges will get you. There's the Outback, otherwise known as the Town Loop.
Just coming off of Heart Attack Hill. It's about a mile into the trail either way. Watch the vines and the roots. Yeah.
You got 2 miles in, 2 miles back, out and back. The way to do it.
Those roots will reach out and say nope.
Beautiful meadows, 463 feet of elevation gain. And definitely some fun downhill on the way back.
This is why April's good.
She's gonna nail.
She'll walk back up.
She's
Yeah.
gonna ride, she's gonna go back.
She's gonna go back. Jeez.
Dude.
It is made for mountain biking, although these were recently adapted in the last 10 years for mountain biking, so initially hiking trails. But they're still a lot of fun. It's definitely rooty, rocky. You can choose from the stream beds, and even in late July, early August, you're going to have a lot of water from snowmelt. But there's also a lot of different rickety, rackety, different bridges that some will work, some a little sketchy. And then you have swamps. Those are always fun to ride through. Just be prepared to get muddy. Park at Kendall Mountain Rec Center. It's at the east end of 14th Street in Silverton.
Old trail crossing. Non-existent. New trail crossing.
And, like I said, definitely a lot of snow melt, so some of the spots are washed out. Most of them you can ride through. More water. Yeah, and more up. Hike a bike. I think we're always hiking a bike somewhere. Hey, you earned the beer after that. A little bit of technical down, but most of this is a blue. Actually, all of it's a blue intermediate trail. If you're really looking for some tough ones, the Colorado Trail and the Continental Divide Trail, pretty much right in your back door as well. So if you really want those double blacks, those are available.
Nicely done.
Woo!
The view from my bike.
Alright, so while we didn't ride the double blacks, we still earned our beer, and going into Silverton is a treat. One of our favorite towns, and Avalanche Brewery is definitely one of our top breweries. From the decor to the people.
Cheers. Cheers, 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 cheers. Avalanche.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, Kenny just said it all. Cheers. Silverton Mountains. Bring it.